Hi everyone, this is Amy, and I got my new Under Armour mask today, and I thought I'd do a little update. I posted a review last week of the Under Armour mask I already have, and now I got one in a smaller size. At the time I had purchased the original pre-order for the mask, they didn't offer extra small/small. Now they've introduced extra small/small. They've also introduced 3 new colors in addition to black that I don't have yet. So let's see if this mask is the right size, and then we'll see if we're gonna order red, navy, or charcoal gray. And if you're new here and you like this video, please hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss a thing. And if you're not new here and you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? So this is the mask that I got today. The packaging is the same as it was before. This is extra small/small. It does say non-medical right at the top, and the price is $30. I did pay for this. Under Armour did not give this to me, so I'm reviewing it because I know a lot of you want to find out what this product is like, and I know a lot of you had questions and wanted to know more about the sizing. And Brittany C, I told her when I got the new size, I'd let her know, and I'd also take measurements of my face so that we can compare them to the Under Armour sizing chart. So let's take a look at the Under Armour sizing guide online first. When I had done the original pre-order, they didn't have extra small/small. At least if they did, I did not see that, but now they do. I originally ordered small/medium. So the sizing chart, there's 2 charts. There's an A chart, and that's where you measure from your ear to the bridge of your nose. And then there's a B chart where you measure the width in the front and the height from here to the bottom of your chin. So they're asking you to look at both measurements. I have my tape measure, and I'm gonna switch over to the camera over here. So for the A measurement, we're going to do from the bridge of the nose here to the center of the ear in inches. And that is about 5.5. For the B measurement, we're going to do from here to here. So from here down to the chin. And that is 6. So according to this, in the A measurement, I'm somewhere between a small and a small medium, an extra small/small medium. And in the B chart, an extra small/small. So let's open up this new one and see how it fits. I like that it's sealed. So now that we have it open, before I try it on, I'm going to spray it with some alcohol. This is just plain rubbing alcohol. I'm just being extra cautious. Let that air out a sec. It comes with instructions on how to do this and the carrying bag. Now let's have a look. And I feel like this fits pretty well. Compare it to my old mask that I've had for a while, that's a small medium. And this feels less secure, see? So for my face, I think the extra small is the way to go. I really hope this helps you figure out what size is best for you with the Under Armour Sport Mask. In case you missed my first video, which was a review of the Under Armour Sport Mask, I'll put a link to that right here. I also have a video where I skate with the mask on, and if you're interested in seeing that, there's a link in the description down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below and consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll see you real soon. Bye.